What's up everyone, it's Akos here from MERACH Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will checking out a little bit different like usually smartphones, gadgets, electric stuff. This will be another gym stuff. So if you've been following the channel recently, you guys should know now I've been taking my fitness journey much more seriously. I've been losing weight, spending more time in the gym, doing cardio almost every day and trying to become a healthier version of myself. So when MERACH reached out and offered me the T31B1 treadmill to test, the timing couldn't have been better. Now this isn't just another treadmill. It features an immersive 18% automatic incline, a powerful 3.5 horsepower brushless motor, smart app connectivity, heart rate tracking, and a foldable design that aimed at people who want serious fitness equipment without turning their entire house into a gym. And because one opinion is never enough on MERACH Flow, Liveta is also going to test it from a woman perspective and let us know what she thinks. So let's stop talking and get this thing unboxed. Let's go! So as you can see now, the treadmill has arrived a surprisingly compact package. Opening everything up, the first thing I noticed was how securely everything was packaged. There was plenty of protection around the mainframe, accessories and display components. Thankfully, this wasn't one of those products where you open the box and immediately regret your life choices because there are 400 pieces and a manual that looks like it was translated by a toaster. Most of the treadmill came pre-assembled, which is already a good sign. Lifting the main unit out, the first thing that stood out was the build quality. Everything felt solid, sturdy and much more premium than I expected. Even before turning it on, it gave the impression of being a serious piece of fitness equipment rather than a basic walking pod. And now let's speak about the setup process. Assembly was actually very straightforward. Most of the work had already been done at the factory, so it was mainly a case of securing the upright section, tightening everything properly and getting it ready for use. And as you can see here, Liveta was very helpful with this. One important tip is to make sure the back panel is fitted and tightened correctly during setup. It only takes a minute but helps ensure everything lines up properly and the display remains easy to see. Within a relatively short time, the treadmill was fully assembled and ready to go. No stress, no missing screws, and most importantly, no arguments. Not much arguments. Now let me mention the design and the build quality. Once assembled, the MERACH T31B1 looks really good. The overall design feels modern and clean without looking overly bulky. The running area measures 460 by 1200 mm, which gave both me and Liveta plenty of confidence whether we're walking, jogging or pushing the piece. One thing I noticed straight away is how stable it feels. There was no wobbling, no flexing and no feeling that the treadmill was struggling to keep up. It also supports users up to 159 kilograms or 350 pounds, which is seriously impressive and shows just how robust the frame is. For people who want equipment that feels built to last, this is definitely ticks that box. Alright, now let's speak about the real-world performance. Of course, none of that matters if the treadmill doesn't perform well, so naturally it was time to jump on and start testing. The T31B1 uses a 3.5 horsepower brushless motor and supports speed up to 14 km per hour. My first few sessions focused on incline walking because that's currently a big part of my fitness routine. Immediately I noticed how smooth the experience felt. The motor provides plenty of power while remaining surprisingly quiet. Even at higher speed, it never felt strained or uncomfortable. Walking felt smooth, jogging felt smooth, running felt smooth as well. Everything just worked exactly you'd want it to. And because the running surface is generous, you don't constantly feel like you're trying to balance on a narrow strip of belt. Another thing worth to mention is the shock absorption system. Compared to running outdoors on hard pavement, the treadmill feels noticeably easier on your knees and ankles. After longer sessions, that extra comfort makes a real difference. For people who regularly do cardio or are carrying extra weight during the fitness journey, reducing joint impact is a huge benefit. And now let's speak about the feature that really makes this treadmill stand out. The 18% automatic incline. This is where things got interesting. Most people automatically think cardio means running. But incline walking can actually be incredibly effective for fat loss while being easier on the joints. As I started increase the incline, my heart rate climbed very quickly despite maintaining a walking pace. My brain kept saying this isn't too bad, meanwhile my legs were feeling officially complaints. The incline adjusts smoothly and automatically, making it easy to increase intensity without interrupting your workout. For anyone focused on calorie burning, weight loss, endurance training, or zone 2 cardio, this feature alone makes a huge difference. Honestly, this quickly became my favorite feature because it allows you to make workouts significantly harder without needing to sprint. And now Liveta's turn. After spending some time walking and testing different settings, she actually had some really positive things to say.
No, it's just like a gym treadmill. It's very good. I find it very comfortable, and it actually does go really fast too. So if you want to get a good workout in, it's perfect.
From her perspective, the treadmill felt comfortable and easy to use. The controls were straightforward, the walking surface felt secure, and the machine didn't feel intimidating like some larger gym equipment can.
I also found the controls very easy to navigate, and everything was quite straightforward. The walking surface also very stable and secure and wide enough, very similar to gym ones. Overall, it's not intimidating to use at all because the controls are easy, the surface is stable, and it's wide enough and straightforward.
She especially liked the incline walking modes because they allowed her to get a proper workout without needing to run.
And I also found the incline mode was very helpful. If you don't like running like myself, you can select the highest incline, which is 18%, and it's a very good workout.
She also mentioned how stable it felt and appreciated that it wasn't excessively loud while in use.
Overall, the noise it produces isn't that bothersome. You can watch TV in the background easily, and yeah, it's just quiet and a good treadmill.
And here's the funny part. 5 minutes later, she was still smiling. Meanwhile, I was standing beside the treadmill questioning all of my life choices. Clearly, one of us is fitter than the other, and unfortunately, not the guy who running the tech channel. And now guys, let me mention the smart features and the app experience. Because the T31B1 isn't just about hardware. You also get Bluetooth connectivity and smart app integration. Using the MERACH app, you can track workout data including speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate information. The treadmill is also compatible with KinoMap and Zwift, which adds another level of motivation and interactivity to your workouts. For people who enjoy tracking progress and seeing detailed statistics, these features are genuinely useful. Support for Apple Health, Google Fit, it's also included, which makes it easy to keep all your fitness information together. The fact that everything syncs together means you can build a complete picture of your overall fitness progress rather than having data spread across multiple apps. One of the biggest concerns have people with treadmills is the space. And honestly, that's completely understandable. Not everyone has a dedicated home gym. Fortunately, the MERACH T31B1 uses a hydraulic folding mechanism. The folding process is quick, easy, and takes only seconds. Once folded, it takes up significantly less space, making it ideal for apartments, smaller homes, spare rooms, or shared living space. For anyone who wants a serious treadmill without permanently sacrificing half the room, this is a genuinely useful feature. It's one of those things that doesn't sound exciting until you actually needed it. Then suddenly it becomes one of your favorite features. So you guys can ask me, who is it for actually? And I have the answer. After spending time with the T31B1, I think it fits several different types of users. If you're trying to lose weight, the incline functionality is fantastic. If you're building a home gym, it offers features normally found on more expensive machines. If you're someone who wants to stay active without constantly traveling to a gym, it makes a lot of sense. And if you work from home and struggle to fit exercise into your schedule, this can be a great solution. Or maybe if you are a family looking for fitness equipment that multiple people can comfortably use, the generous weight capacity, large running surface, and easy of use make it suitable for a wide range of users. So after testing the MERACH treadmill for a while now, what do I think? Honestly, I'm impressed. The combination of a 18% automatic incline, powerful 3.5 horsepower brushless motor, shock absorption system, smart connectivity, high weight capacity, and foldable design creates a treadmill that feels genuinely premium. It's comfortable to use, versatile enough for different fitness level, and practical enough for everyday home use. For me personally, the incline feature is the star of the show. It's challenging, effective, and makes cardio far more interesting than simply walking on a flat surface. Add in the positive feedback from Liveta and it's easy to see why this treadmill could be a great choice for a wide range of users. Whether your goal is weight loss, improving fitness, increasing daily activity, or building a proper home gym setup, the MERACH T31B1 deserves serious consideration. So guys, honestly I'm telling you, it's ATEC Flow recommended. So guys, that's been my review of the MERACH T31B1 treadmill. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the links down below in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you're currently building a home gym, I'd love to hear what equipment you're using. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure subscribe to ATEC Flow, leave a like and turn on the notification so you don't miss future reviews.
This is not how we intend to use the treadmill. This is not safe or good.
So a huge thanks to MERACH to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. And as well a very big huge thanks to Liveta to helping me out with the unboxing, the testing and everything. So thank you guys. It was Akos from ATEC Flow, it was a treadmill from MERACH, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!